Is it time to buy or sell Globalstar stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Globalstar. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since August 7th, 2025, our system has classified Globalstar as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 42.81% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 34.64% to 72.93%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of about 6.26%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -27.88% to positive 50.78% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price range between $18.16 and $37.97. Our latest daily update for Globalstar includes the headline, Globalstar Incorporated stock has been downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after the Thursday trading session. The stock price of Globalstar Incorporated decreased by 3.71% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, falling from $26.15 to $25.18. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.22%, ranging from a low of $24.67 to a high of $26.45. The price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, but remains 1% higher over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 31,000 shares, with a total of 729,000 shares traded, amounting to approximately $18,350,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $41.10, while the lowest price recorded was $15. Currently, the price stands 38.73%, or $15.92, lower than the 52-week high, and 43.67%, or $19.52, below the all-time high recorded on the 7th of September, 2022, when the price touched $44.70. Globalstar Incorporated, trading under the ticker GSAT, is making notable strides that could significantly impact its stock performance. Recently, the company announced its participation in key investor conferences, providing an opportunity for greater visibility and engagement with potential investors. This exposure can lead to increased investor interest in the stock, supporting short-term price movements. In addition, Globalstar's collaboration with Parsons Corporation on a commercial satellite solution represents a significant advancement in their technology. Successful proof-of-concept projects like this can enhance investor confidence in the company's growth prospects, potentially boosting its stock value in the long run. The ongoing expansions of Globalstar's ground station infrastructure, including projects in both Canada and Japan, further underline the company's commitment to enhancing its service capabilities. Such expansions not only improve operational efficiencies, but also position Globalstar to meet growing global connectivity demands essential for its long-term viability. Moreover, partnerships with the United States Army, including cooperative research agreements, highlight Globalstar's role in the defense sector, tapping into a lucrative market that further diversifies its revenue streams. As these developments unfold, the combination of increased investor engagement, technological advancements, and strategic partnerships could foster both immediate and sustained bullish sentiment towards GSAT stock. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 31st of October, 2022, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned GSAT a buy grade with an initiate action. On Thursday, the 9th of December, 2021, B. Riley also gave GSAT a buy grade but with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of June, 2021, it was reported that B. Riley assigned GSAT a buy grade with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Globalstar stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Globalstar. The Globalstar Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average exceeds the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at levels of $24.40 and $25.18. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 17, 2025, resulting in a decrease of approximately 11%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 40 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Globalstar. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $23.84 and $21.19. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, Globalstar Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $23.84. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.19 and $19.05. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.78 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.22%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 4.94%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Globalstar, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates currently stand at negative 0.09. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Globalstar. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Globalstar is at $26.52. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Globalstar encounters its first support level at $23.84. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Globalstar from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of May, 2025, Monroe James III conducted an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of voting common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Monroe James III conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 14th of May, 2025, Monroe James III conducted another insider purchase of 25,000 shares of voting common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, Monroe James III made an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of voting common stock. On the 9th of May, 2025, Hassler William A. conducted an insider purchase of 3,333 shares of voting common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 33.029. Overall, insiders acquired 24,326,245 shares and divested 10,480,181 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Globalstar stock a good buy? Globalstar Inc. holds several negative signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have downgraded our assessment from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we expect Globalstar to open higher by 253 ten-thousandths and begin trading at $25.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.